Hey, on this tour of Trimble Park, we're going to check out sunrise, go on a morning hike, check out the campground, and then we'll finish up with one of the main boardwalk trails. You don't want to miss it. Sunset at the end. What a great way to start the day on this morning hike. Just beautiful here at Trimble Park. And get ready because there's a little alligator friend coming up on this trail. It's awesome. Stay tuned. All right, here we go. One of our little alligator friends right here. Oh boy, he is pretty good size. That's amazing. All right, we just came up on this big boy, sitting on this lovely shore. He is pretty big too. Ooh. Woo. Hey, here's a great look at the campsite loop at Trimble Park. There's only 15 campsites here, and they don't have sewer hookups, but they do have a dump station. So power and water only. Also, the waterfront sites start at about site 7, and they run through about site 12. I would say site 11 and site 8 are probably the best views looking out to the lake. Also, they have a very clean bathhouse facility. That's a nice plus to check out. You'll see that right here. And so that's a great amenity as well. So let's keep going. This is a great plus for Trimble Park. If you're camping there, you can bring a boat and put it in at the ramp and then pull it around and tie it off right here and have it back right up to your campsite. Sites 7, 8, and 9 back right up to this particular dock, and then that sunset is right straight out the dock there every evening. Very beautiful. That's a good shot of site 11 from the water. Really pretty. Beautiful view this morning from Site 11. The trails here at Trimble Park are beautiful. Right through the cypress trees, on a nice boardwalk, with plenty of stops to look out and see the lakes along the way. Just an awesome trail that you can walk from the campground. Divides these couple of lakes. Just beautiful. This is an awesome look at a boat tour you can do that's just 10 minutes from the campground itself, right in downtown Mount Dora. It's just beautiful.
See how sharp that bill is? Bring it up to the surface, take it off the bill, so it doesn't be small. And get that fish to go down head first. And you'll see that with their wing spread, because unlike other waterfowl like ducks and geese, they're on natural legs. Stretch. Even in the summertime, it's cooler in here.
Between the wildlife that you can see here and the canopy of cypress trees, this Dora Canal was just incredible. Also, there's ways to put in a kayak and just do this same stretch run as well if you're into that and you bring your kayaks. So just beautiful. It's a must do while you're here in Mount Dora. We hope you enjoyed this look at Trimble Park and hope that you will subscribe to the channel and follow us on these adventures. Also, we'd love it if you give us a thumbs up down below and maybe leave us a comment about what you like the most. And until next time, get out there and get camping.